Hi, I'm Adam for Geberit. In this video, I will show how to install the Geberit Sigma80 sensor flush access plate, now with Bluetooth connectivity.
Remove the inner cover, followed by the transmission block. It's always a good practice to remove the inlet valve and hose first, to give you more room to remove or install the flush valve. Remove the flush valve hold down clamp. Lift up the flush valve and remove the shackles. Lift up and rotate the flush valve and remove. Remove the top section of the flush valve by pushing up and slightly twisting off the chamfered edge. Reinstall the flush valve. Fit the outlet valve crown over the shackle and clip into place. Fold the shackle down and twist it back onto the flush valve. Install the flush valve hold down clamp and lock into place. Fit the inlet valve. Use the inlet hose and flush the water supply to remove any impurities which may be in the system. Fit the hose to the stop tap and the float valve and turn on. Check and adjust water level if necessary. Extend the 12-volt power supply cord through the transmission duct. Remove the paper cover on the electronic transmission block and install, ensuring the hook is in the flush valve shackle. Allow 20 centimeters for the supply cable. Remove the small access hole on the inner cover and pass the supply cable through. The electronic transmission block cable passes through the retaining clip. Then install the inner cover. Fit the button mounting plate with the tool-free clips. Shorten the clips if needed, and reinstall. push the clips all the way in and twist. Slide the locking pin in and secure. And repeat on both sides. And check for level. Plug the red and black cables into their respective positions. And check the pins are lining up correctly. Scan the QR code on the back of the button and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Mount the button on the spring clips and use the Allen key and lock it into place.
For more information on the Geberit Sigma80 sensor flush access plate, please contact your local Reece bathroom store or head over to geberit.com.au.